Shopify Checkout for digital products. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the checkout on Shopify for digital products. As you know, Shopify is going to be an online store that will facilitate taking payments or taking out payments from clients to physical products. But the thing that maybe you are not going to know that also Shopify, we can sell digital products and they have a specific checkout for it. How we can activate it? Basically, it is going to be very simple. Before we add the digital product, we are going to sign in for the account on the admin dashboard, and we're going to search for a certain app on the search bar here, which is going to be here Shopify or digital downloads, like that. We're going to search for it for the Shopify App Store. So like that. And we are going to find it right there. So I'm going to be interested in using a free app this time because I do not want to have something to pay for as simple as that. So we're going to head over here. This is the digital download app, the Shopify official app. So developer Shopify, as you can read. We're going to install this app real quick. So I repeat myself a little bit. Digital downloads, this is the app, the official logo, Shopify as a developer, install it and boom. So we are going to wait for it for a few seconds. And here it is going to be installed. We are going to pin it to our navigation. So we are not going to lose the sight of it. And as you can see, we can add or see the products and add digital products on them. So now I'm going to set up the checkout link feature. As you can see, here we have it, extension, get started. Let's see here. What do we have? Everything set up. So everything is cool. Checkout, English, we're good. Now what we're going to do is to head over the products and we're going to create a first, let's say, product, which is going to be digital. For example, here, we're going to type in Canva template. For example, you can go ahead and have a description for them like that. So we're going to have it like that. I'm going to generate only some contents here, just like that for the sake of the video. We can go ahead and add some images. For example, I'm going to add as an example this image only. So now what we're going to do next is going to put the price of the template. Maybe we're going to sell it for $59.99. I don't know here. You can go ahead and add a comparison price of, for example, like this. And inventory, we're going to track the inventory. We're going to uncheck that. For the shipping, it is going to be crucial to uncheck this is a physical product. So the let's say here the shipping is not going to be included as the store is going to read it as a digital product. Learn how to set up your store for digital products or services. We're going to have variants if we want. For example, you're going to have everything set up just like that. Now the second thing is to click on save. Once we have did that, we're going basically to have everything set. Now the product is ready, or not the product, but basically the description of the product is ready. And we're going to click on more actions here. So when you click on more actions after you have saved the product, as you can see, this is an active and saved product, add digital file. So we are going to add a digital file for that. We are going to head over here and we are going to add a file for that. So we are going to add this file for it. I'm going to click on save and boom. So now we can go ahead and head over to the store and we are going to be having this product. So Canva template, I can go ahead and click on buy now and it is going to be demanding only the contact. The billing address and everything is not going to be demanded here, as you can see, because it is going to be a digital product. For example, I'm going to put this address. The total is going to be here. I'm going to click on pay now. Basically, I do need to set up here a card. For example, here we're going to put like that, 1, 2, 3. For example, standard. We're going to put here whatever. So I'm going to put friends. For example, 33, like that. So we are going to have 13, let's say, or let's see. So I'm going to choose a standard, and then we are going to pay it like that, like this. Please work. And you're going to find that it is going to put the payment. We're going to wait for it, and it is going to set up this. So the payment is going to be on bogus. This is going to be something that we are going to put for testing, but it doesn't matter. The point, or the whole point here, is going to let you see that it is going to be a checkout, a standard checkout that is at the end is going to send you here a specific type of product, which is going to be redirected to your email address. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.